This is Adam Smooth Talk Radio. It is now 6 o'clock a.m. here in San Francisco. We are now experiencing the worst storm of the year, but that's not saying much because it's only January 19th. Right now, there's a massive storm happening right now, but that's okay. If there's ever any trouble in your vicinity, just try to think about nice things. That's what I do. Whenever we're experiencing some turbulation in the climate, I just think about the sun. And I just think about how it's always there. It's always somewhere. And when you think about it, across the sea of space, the other stars might be suns as well. They might be harboring planets. They might have intelligent life somewhere. There's billions of planets potentially in our galaxy, and there are trillions of planets in the universe that must have some sort of life somewhere. There's possibilities that are endless here that we don't think about sometimes. And sometimes we don't want to think about it. Sometimes we feel like it's too much to think about, and we get tangled up in our existence, our own lives, and we are unable to fathom the idea that there might be intelligent life somewhere else. If you ever feel like talking to me about this, just give me a call, and we'll go to the observatory. I can show you my my uncle's laboratory. But yeah, just this idea that there could be extraterrestrials just blow my mind. Just make me completely eradicated. This whole theory that there is life on other planets, many people reject the idea that there could be intelligent life elsewhere from Earth, but if you look at the process of DNA evolution, it's only been several millions of years over, like, in this time span in which the human race has evolved into what it is now. So you must have some way of thinking that elsewhere in the universe this process has either started or has already developed, and perhaps millions and millions of years ago there was a race of humans, except not on Earth, and they lived about their puny existence and had civilizations that rose and fell. And then they collapsed as a species. It could have happened. There's no way of knowing any of this, ever. We will never know. Maybe they even interacted with each other not unlike we do. It's too much to think about, we feel sometimes, as a human race. But I just have to say that this has been Adam Smooth Talk Radio, and if you ever feel like you're in a place of danger, just tune in to Adam Smooth Talk Radio, or just give me a call, shoot me an email, and we'll talk about something soothing and calm, like the universe. So without another word, this has been Adam Swift Talk Radio. Tune in next time.